Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Today's video will show you how to fix speaker problems, such as speaker not working or suddenly going quiet. Let's get started. Fix 1. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can solve software glitches. Press and hold the power button and volume down button, then slide to power off. Turn it back on after a few seconds. Fix 2. Check volume settings. First, go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, and make sure Change with Buttons is turned off. This prevents accidental volume changes when pressing physical buttons. Next, scroll down, tap Headphone Safety, and enable Reduce Loud Audio. After that, test your speaker again to see if the sound improves. Fix 3. Check Bluetooth connection. Go to Settings, tap Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is turned on, check if your iPhone is connected to wireless headphones, a speaker, or your car. If it is, tap the device name and disconnect it, or simply turn Bluetooth off. Fix 4. Use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. This professional software is excellent at solving all the system errors of iOS. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to computer and open TunesKit. Choose iOS System Repair section and press the Start button. Step 2. Select Standard Repairing Mode. This mode will not lose any data. Then click the Repair button and wait for the recovery process to finish. Wait a few minutes, and your iPhone speaker will return to normal. Fix 5. Check Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode. Swipe down from the top right corner and make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode is turned off. These can silence notifications and sometimes affect sound output. Fix 6. Update iOS. Go to Software Update and make sure you're on the latest iOS version. Apple often releases bug fixes for issues like this. If you found this helpful, don't forget like, subscribe, and ring the bell.